Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can change the look of your subreddit. So to change the look of your subreddit, go to your subreddit and here you can see that it's like a blank canvas. Now go to look and feel tab under more tools and click on community appearance. Here add your subreddit icon and banners. Then, according to your brand color, change the key color and base color of your subreddit, which you can reset to default anytime you want. And you can change the color of your pinned post too, if you want. Moreover, you can check whether how it looks if it goes to dark mode. Then click on Save to save the changes. And this is how you can change the look of your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.